Hello and a warm welcome to the English Language Laboratory's Word of the Day series by TELLS Videtionary. In this series, we pick a new English word every day, provide the correct spelling of the word telling you how many alphabets make up the word, find which part of speech the word falls into, explain its meaning, look for any similar words where possible and finally explore how it could be used in a sentence. Do you have a word collection? How many words have you collected? Are you having difficulties understanding English words? Confused about how to use words in a sentence? Or do you just want to refresh your English vocabulary? Then join us and learn in a fun and easy way. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. We'd love to hear from you, so make sure you leave a comment after every video. All comments are welcome. Now let's dive into the video. Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 7th, our word of the day is cloistered. C-L-O-I-S-T-E-R-E-D. Cloistered. Cloistered is a 10-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Cloistered means separated from and communicating little with the outside world. In other words, kept away from the outside world, sheltered. Similar words include secluded, sheltered, sequestered, shielded, protected. Examples of sentences using cloistered are: the dean said the cloistered atmosphere of the academy was doing little to prepare students for the real world. She leads a private, cloistered life in the country. He spent most of his adult life cloistered in universities. He has cloistered himself in a monastery for more than 30 years. These academics lead such a cloistered life. He had led a cloistered existence and had little experience of ordinary life. Make sure to save this new word, cloistered, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.